In this video, I will show you how to transfer Solana from Kraken to Phantom Wallet. So from our Phantom Wallet app, we're going to click on Receive, and at the top we select Solana, and there down below we copy the wallet address to our clipboard, and right now we're going to our Kraken app to insert this wallet address. So from our Kraken app, we're going to click on the purple button down below, and in here we're going to click on Withdraw. Select Solana, enter the amount you want to transfer. I'm going to transfer all Solana I have, and please be aware that there is a minimum on the transfer, so there must be around 0.01 Solana to transfer. Click on the arrow down or click on Add Wallet Address if you don't have a wallet address added yet. So I'm going to create a new one for Phantom Wallet, so I'm going to click on this arrow down, and in here I'm going to click on Add Withdrawal Addresses. So paste in the withdrawal address that we just copied from Phantom Wallet, and then click on Continue. Make a description for this transfer, so I'm just going to call it Phantom Wallet SOL. Click on Continue, click on Confirm. So Kraken will always send you a confirmation email to confirm your new withdrawal address, so go ahead and look for your junk or your spam folder or just your normal inbox. Click on this mail and then click on Confirm Address. So our withdrawal address is approved, and now we can return to the Kraken app. So by default, our new wallet will be selected, and if you think you have the wrong wallet selected, click on the arrow down and change it, but I have the right one selected, so now I'm going to enter the amount of Solana I want to transfer again. And after you have entered it, click on Review, check your details and make sure you are on the same network, so both on Solana or another network if that is available, and after everything is alright, click on Swipe to withdraw. So the withdrawal is initiated, click on Done, and now we can go back to our Phantom Wallet to check if our balance is updated already. And I can already see that my balance is updated, and when I look at my activity, I see that the Solana is received. So that is how you transfer Solana from Kraken to Phantom Wallet. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and I see you in the next one.